Welcome to the Daily Market Review brought to you by OptionsClick.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to our look at the upcoming October 15th trading session. In front of you, I have the economic calendar as per usual. There are quite a few things going on, but really, for the most part, for our money at least, it's all about the United States. We have these six announcements. We have five economic announcements and one crude oil inventory number announcement that really should move the markets in America. We're talking the stock market, the US dollar, and of course, in this particular case, WTI. So with that, let's take a look at some charts. The S&P 500 is struggling a bit during the day, but as you can see, we're getting dangerously close to a lot of support. So really at this point in time, we don't have any interest in buying puts. We think it's only a matter of time before the market bounces. If we can ever get above 2020, that's a longer term uptrend move waiting to happen. This is a market that's been very volatile, but it is very resilient. So we do favor calls on short-term bounces. Obviously, with the crude oil inventory numbers, we have to talk about that market, and you can see we have fallen a bit during the session on Wednesday, but $46 looks to be supportive. There is a huge cluster here that should bring in buyers anyway. So at this point in time, we're looking for a supportive candle or a bounce off of a short-term chart. Go ahead and start buying short-term calls at that point, especially if the number is better, which of course is lower in this case. You want to see more oil drawn to signify demand and push this market back towards the $50 level, which we think will happen, not only based upon that, but also the fact that the US dollar is getting a bit hit lately. And speaking of the US dollar, the euro has broken to the upside above the 114 level. 115 at that point in time, you really have to start thinking about a trend change. This does look like a market that's trying to do just that. So on short-term pullbacks, we believe that short-term charts offer call buying opportunities. And with that, we've taken a look at the October 15th trading session.
This review is brought to you by OptionsClick, the most trusted binary options broker.